Thank you for choosing the KB310 or KB311-SSWM from Koala Kare. Before beginning, review the installation instructions and tool list. Also, check your local building codes for compliance requirements. Remove the handle or handles and bag hook from the packaging and put them aside. Remove the main unit from the flange by lifting it out. Remove the plastic liner dispenser and put it aside. Place the unit to one side, face down on a protected flat surface. Lift the flange out of the skirt and put it aside. Measure and mark the desired mounting location on the wall stud center. Measure across 16 inches. Use a level and mark the second mounting location. The skirt has two keyhole hangers at 16-inch centers for easy installation. Pre-drill and screw in the provided mounting screws. Be sure to leave approximately 1/8 of an inch of the thread exposed. Position the keyhole hangers over the screws and hang the skirt. Confirm that it is level before securing the mounting screws. Position the flange inside the skirt. Make sure the mounting holes are toward the floor. Center the flange in the skirt. Use the mounting holes to mark and pre-drill for the mounting screws. Screw in the top two screws. Leave approximately 1/4 of an inch of thread exposed for hanging the main unit. Lift the unit into the flange. Locate the keyhole mounting holes over the mounting screws. This may be easier with the assistance of a second person. Secure the unit through the remaining mounting holes with the provided screws. Then tighten the upper mounting screws. With the unit open, position the liner dispenser over the exposed metal frame in the center of the flange. Use the provided key to open the liner dispenser. This will provide access to the 4 mounting holes. Use the provided hardware to secure the liner dispenser to the metal frame. Lock the liner dispenser and close the unit. Position the provided handle or handles over the mounting studs. The open section of the KB310 handles should be toward the top of the unit. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the set screws in the handles. Test the unit by opening and closing it multiple times. Then remove the protective film from the surface of the unit. To install the bag hook, position it on the wall in the desired location, over a wall stud for optimal strength. Mark and pre-drill the mounting holes. Use the provided screws to secure the bag hook in position. Then take the escutcheon plate and screw it over the mounting plate to cover the mounting screws. Thank you for watching the installation video for the KB310 and KB311 baby changing stations.